Good morning, third grade. We're going to be reading today Math Crunch number 3. It's going to look like this. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. Directions. Read the question carefully. Answer each question using the information given. Nadia has 4 sheets of stickers. There are 8 stickers on each sheet. She wrote this number sentence to represent the total number of stickers. She wrote 4 times 8 equals 32. What is a related number sentence that also represents the total number of stickers she has? Is it A, 8 plus 4, B, 4 plus 4, C, 8 times 8, or D, 8 times 4? Now remember, if they gave you 4 times 8 equals 32, you're going to want to pick one that is the same, that's going to equal the same thing. 4 times 8 equals 32. Is that backwards for you? No? Okay. So you're looking at 8 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8 times 8, or 8 times 4, which is going to also equal 32. Now, if we're not too confident with a multiplication, that's okay, because we can at least do the addition for A and B and do 8 plus 4 and 4 plus 4. And if your answer is not 32, it's not going to work, okay? So the answer has to still be 32. So my hint to you is to think about the commutative property and where you can flip-flop the numbers and you still get the same thing, okay? Number 2. Papo drew an array to show the number of desks in his classroom. And he drew these boxes. Which 2 multiplication sentences match the array? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to count them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going across, and 1, 2 going down. So the numbers that we're looking at are 8 and 2. Okay, so which 2 multiplication sentences match the array? Is it going to be 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 8 equals 10, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 2 equals 10, or 16 times 2 equals 8? Now, my hint is to count how many boxes you have total. How many boxes you have total would help you figure out which one it's going to be. Number 3. Ooh, the sun is coming in. Good morning, sun. There we go. Number 3. There are 7 days in 1 week. Determine how many days there are in 4 weeks. Okay? So I'm going to help you start this problem off to solve it. So in 1 week, it said there are 7 days. So what I can do is make 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1 week. And they're asking 4 weeks. So you're going to need how many rows altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 7. Okay? If you need to draw out the array, you need to finish it, go ahead and tell me how many days would be in 4 weeks. Okay? Number 4. Angelo stacked 30 cans of soup collected during a food drive, and you can see the 30 cans of soup. Select other ways Angelo could arrange the same number of cans. Mark all that apply. So you're going to have to figure out ways that he can also make rows that are still going to equal 30. And if you have to draw them out, that's okay. Your choices are 1 row of 30, 5 rows of 6, 6 rows of 6, 8 rows of 4, or 3 rows of 10. My hint to you on this one is, looks like there are 3 choices. It says mark all that apply. You're going to pick 3 of them. All right, number 5. Ellen made this array to show that 2 times 9 equals 18. She did this. So she showed There's 9 going across, 2 up and down, and together there's 18. So 2 times 9 equals 18. Part A. Ellen says that 9 times 2 equals 18. Is Ellen correct? Create an array to explain your answer in the box below. And part B, explain which multiplication property supports your answer. So the properties we're talking about, I mentioned one of them back for question number 1. See if you can remember which property was mentioned for number 1. So she says that 2 times 9 is 18. They're asking, is 9 times 2 also 18? And which multiplication property is that? Number 6, last one. There are 4 flower beds in Max's yard. 3 rose bushes grow in each flower bed. Determine how many rose bushes grow in the garden. Draw circles to model the problem and explain how to solve it. So they're telling us to make 4 circles. 4 circles.
October 8th, and to celebrate today, we have Meatball
And there's 3 rose bushes in each one, so you have 3 flowers.
Your choice of milk.
In each one.
And today is history.
So finish that off and tell me how many rose bushes grow in the garden. All right. Have a great day, 3rd grade. Enjoy your long weekend.